with the Vidhan Sabha session in Rajasthan now scheduled for the 14th of August, the Congress is trying to keep its flock together until the session begins. Now, there are reports coming in that after a legislature party meeting today in Fairmount, which is a hotel where the MLAs are staying, the MLAs of the Gehlot camp will be moved to another location by chartered flight. Now, where exactly will they be moved? This is not clear yet. They could be moved to some places that could be close to Jaisalmer, but the Chief Minister and the Cabinet Ministers will stay back in Jaipur. This is the big news coming in right now. The decision has been taken to shift these MLAs from Fairmount. Now, yesterday, the Chief Minister, Ashok Gehlot, had again raised allegations of horse trading and had said now the rate of MLAs has gone up as the assembly session is coming up on Thursday. This was a veiled dig at the governor and the BJP.
सरकार हमारी पूरे 5 साल तक चलेगी, इनके तमाम षड्यंत्र विफल होंगे। हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग की रेट और बढ़ गई है। मॉनिटरिंग कौन कर रहा है देश के अंदर, सबको मालूम है। और सब नेता छिपके जाते हैं, छिपके आते हैं, रात को जाते हैं, सुबह आके कहते हैं हम तो यही थे। झूठ बोलने की क्या आवश्यकता है? तो इसलिए हम इनको पूरा एक्सपोज करके रहेंगे। मुझे गॉड गिफ्ट है ये, चाहे मैं तो रोज ऐसे ही रहता हूँ, मुझे गॉड गिफ्ट है। चाहे कैसी स्थिति कुछ भी हो, आप सत्य के रास्ते पर हो, तो सत्य ही जो है मुझे गॉड गिफ्ट है कि मैं आज हूँ वैसे रहता हूँ।
Well, this is what the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot said yesterday. He has been accusing the BJP of horse trading and now is saying that it seems that the price of horse trading and the cost of horse trading has gone up. There has been a continuous tussle between the governor and the Chief Minister as well. For more on this, let's go across to Harsha Kumari Singh in Jaipur. Harsha, what are you hearing about the Congress camp MLAs?
Well, there's going to be a Congress legislature party meeting today, and all MLAs have been told to pack their bags and be ready. A lot of their relatives had come to meet them. So now the relatives have been told that the MLAs will be moving from here. They've been asked to keep their IDs also handy. We are hearing that they will be moved to a resort somewhere in western Rajasthan, but we are not exactly sure where, and the MLAs themselves have not been told where they are going. So, you know, but we've been told that they will be flying out from Jaipur. So till we don't have confirmation on that, we are not too sure. But yes, we do know that the MLAs till the Vidhan Sabha session now will be moved outside of Jaipur somewhere, and the fear is that to keep them away from poaching. Because remember, Mr. Ashok Gehlot has given a statement saying that, you know, since the assembly session was announced, the rate for MLAs has gone up, and MLAs are receiving offers, lucrative offers. So to make sure that the flock stays together, there are all plans to move them out of Jaipur this morning.
Also, Harsha, you know, Mr. Gehlot has a very narrow lead in the assembly. If you could throw light on that and why this concern of MLAs being poached becomes important.
Yes, absolutely. Because remember, in the 200-member House, the halfway mark is 101, and right now Mr. Gehlot has the support of 102, including you know, the outside parties, the independents, including all of them, the BTP and his own MLAs, of course. Now, remember the 6 BSP MLAs. Their merger has been challenged in the High Court, and that decision, the High Court has sent notices. They don't have to reply before the 11th of August. So that's also quite close to you know, when the Vidhan Sabha session will begin, though of course 14th is the day the session will begin, and then 15th, 16th are holidays. So in effect, till 17th, we don't expect anything to happen. But all these calculations have been made by both parties, and Mr. Gehlot, of course, an astute politician, he's not leaving anything clearly to chance.